Important things to consider before buying a water softener. Number 1. Water hardness level. The WaterScience team will visit your home, check for the water hardness level and pick the right solution for you. Size and capacity. WaterScience offers solutions for just bathroom and kitchen as well as the entire home. For installation, this would require a connection to your water inlet. This can be installed on your terrace near the water tank, or if you have an apartment, it can be installed in your bathroom or utility. Regeneration. Water softener regeneration is a process. It's just like recharging your battery. You'll need to add salt every couple of weeks depending on the water usage. The WaterScience water softeners are fully automatic and comes with an LCD display which will alert you when the salt has to be added for regeneration. If you're looking for low maintenance water softeners, choose a zero headache smart softener. Still have questions? Then reach out to us at the toll-free number given below or write to us at care@waterscience.in and we'll help you out.